Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a versatile and powerful product that can make a noticeable difference in your comfort level at home or at work. We found this product online and have added the link in the description below, so you can check for the latest price and availability. Introducing the Lasko Pivoting High Velocity Portable Utility Fan, Model U12104. This compact yet powerful fan is designed to deliver high-velocity airflow, making it an ideal solution for cooling down hot, stuffy spaces. Whether you're working in your garage, relaxing in your bedroom, or need a breeze on your office desk, this fan has you covered. One of the standout features of the Lasko U12104 is its ability to move serious air up to 289 cubic feet per minute across 3 different speed settings. This means you can easily customize the airflow to suit your needs, whether you want a gentle breeze or a strong gust of wind to cool you down on a sweltering day. Another impressive aspect of this fan is its adjustable blower functionality. With a 270-degree pivot, you can easily direct the airflow exactly where you need it most. This is particularly useful for specific tasks, such as drying freshly mopped floors or paint after a home renovation project. The ability to aim the airflow means you can target areas that require extra ventilation without having to move the fan around constantly. Convenience is another key feature of the Lasko U12104. The fan comes equipped with 2 built-in grounded outlets, allowing you to plug in tools or devices directly at the fan. This eliminates the hassle of using extra extension cords and keeps your workspace tidy. Plus, the 10-foot power cord gives you ample reach, so you can position the fan wherever you need it most. Safety is paramount, especially when it comes to electrical appliances. The Lasko U12104 has been ETL listed, meaning it meets rigorous safety standards. It features a 3-prong grounded plug for reliable operation and added electrical safety. Additionally, it is equipped with a circuit breaker and reset button to protect the motor and electrical components during operation, giving you peace of mind while using it. So, who is this fan suitable for? The Lasko U12104 is perfect for a wide range of users. If you're a DIY enthusiast working on home improvement projects, this fan can help speed up the drying process. If you work in a hot garage or workshop, it'll ensure you stay cool and comfortable while you tackle your tasks. It's also great for anyone looking to improve airflow in their living spaces, making it an excellent choice for bedrooms, offices, or even outdoor gatherings. In practical use cases, consider using this fan during summer months when the heat can become unbearable. Place it in a corner of your garage while working on a project to keep the air circulating. Or, if you have pets, it can help keep them comfortable during hot days by providing a refreshing breeze. Additionally, it comes in handy during power outages, allowing you to maintain some airflow without relying on central air or other cooling methods. In conclusion, the Lasko Pivoting High Velocity Portable Utility Fan is a powerful, versatile, and safe option for anyone looking to improve air circulation in various settings. Its compact design, adjustable airflow, and